What if I told you that some of the world's most valuable paintings vanished into thin air, never to be seen again? For centuries, daring thieves, secret organizations, and even wartime looters have targeted priceless masterpieces. How did they pull off these heists, and where are these lost treasures today? Let's dive into the most intriguing art heists in history. In 1911, the unthinkable happened. Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa was stolen from the Louvre. The thief, Vincenzo Peruggia, an Italian handyman who hid inside the museum overnight. His plan? To return the painting to Italy, believing it rightfully belonged there. For 2 years the world searched for the Mona Lisa until Peruggia was caught trying to sell it in Florence. In 1990, 2 men disguised as police officers entered the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston. They tied up the guards and escaped with $500 million worth of art, including works by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Degas. Over 30 years later, not a single piece has been recovered and the case remains open. Who took them, and why haven't they resurfaced? During World War II, the Nazis looted thousands of artworks from museums and private collectors across Europe. Hitler planned to display them in his Führer Museum, but many pieces were lost, destroyed, or hidden. Decades later, paintings like Gustav Klimt's portrait of Adele Bloch-Bauer-Fürn and Vermeer's The Astronomer have been recovered, but many are still missing. Could they still be hidden in secret vaults or private collections? Many stolen masterpieces don't end up in museums but vanish into the shadows of the black market. Private collectors and crime syndicates pay fortunes for stolen Van Goghs and Picassos. Some paintings are even used as currency for illicit deals, traded between criminals. And sometimes they reappear in the most unexpected places, like an old couch or a dusty attic. From stolen Monets found in garbage dumps to Picassos recovered decades later, history proves that art can resurface when least expected. So the real question is, how many lost masterpieces are still out there, waiting to be found?